So guys, we are finally at 100 subscribers. Okay. You guys are the realest. Like, you guys are everything. Everything. Thank you so much for taking out your time to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I am extremely grateful from the deepest part of my soul. Thank you guys so much. Okay, so I started this YouTube journey in January this year. This is 2021, by the way, if you're watching from the future. So I decided to start my YouTube channel this year. It is something that has been on my to-do list for a while, and I decided to give it a go January this year, and that is one of the best decisions I have ever made this year. Okay, so I feel like people, I really don't even know what to say because I have no script. Okay, so I am very skillful, I am very creative, I am a DIY person. I like to say I am a DIY freak, because before I spend my money to buy things, or before I call a professional to help me repair something that has been damaged in my home, I check to see if I can do it myself first. And it turns out most of the time that I get to do all of these things myself. Okay, so I decided that I should share my knowledge for free, and I feel like YouTube is the best platform to share what I know for free. And I am also a bag maker. I make clothes for myself, but I am not a tailor, I am not a designer. I did not learn clothes making. Okay, so if you think that I learned clothes making, I am a tailor, I am not. I am not. I am an amateur just like you, and I just feel like there is a person or two out there who would benefit from the knowledge, the little that I know. So most of the time I film the process and I drop it on YouTube for that person to find and benefit from. Okay, so like I said earlier, I am more of a bag maker. I am not a clothes maker. I am not a dress maker. So moving on, like from henceforth, not really from henceforth, because I still have some clothes that I need to finish. And from henceforth, I am going to start posting DIYs on bags too. So if you are interested in learning how to make bags for free, I am going to start doing that. So this is not just going to be about clothes. This is a DIY channel, and it is mostly going to be about bag making, but also different things: clothes, shoes, home decor, furniture, so much more. So you want to stick around, because I believe that there is going to be a DIY for you. Get it? I know you get it. I feel like there's going to be a DIY for you because I am very versatile. I experiment a lot, and I feel blessed because it takes a lot for you to watch just one of my video, like it, and feel like, oh yeah, I need to keep up with this person, I need to subscribe to our YouTube channel because I feel like I'm going to be getting something beneficial from this channel. And I promise you guys, I will not let you down. Okay, so if you've watched till this point, thank you. This is not scripted, by the way. I don't even know what to do after this or what to say. That's why I'm going to end this now, because I feel like I'm talking too much. So thank you so much for subscribing again. Thank you so much to the 100 people who subscribed to my YouTube channel. I am extremely grateful, guys. If you're just joining us for the first time, my name is Juliet Avaligbe. I am a DIY enthusiast, and welcome to the DIY community. So do not forget to like, because liking this video helps support this channel. Do not forget to subscribe and leave me a comment in the comment section. What would you like to see? What would you like me to DIY? And if you have any questions, I would be super duper glad to answer you. So guys, see you in my next video.